Look at how full this whole tray is. I just had one of the most stressful days yesterday. Oh, I don't even want to talk about it, but I got this jewelry bundle from Lendy on Depop. I'm gonna tag her right here. This was supposed to be part of my birthday present. I have been saving it for my birthday or after a very stressful day, and I think it's time to open it now. I can't wait. Lendy has been so sweet. I talked to her and she was so warm and accommodating, and I think she's really putting a lot of thought. I really needed this. Let's get right into it. Let's start from the freebies, shall we? Oh, I'm definitely going to turn this into a necklace. This will look really good as a necklace or even a choker. Oh, it would be cool as a choker. I just have to figure out a way to do that. This side is keep, this side is not wear, and I will repurpose it, give it out as gifts, or if there's anything that really screams out to you and you just really want to have it, message me and I will try to put it on my Depop. Everything is bagged individually and then it's bubble wrapped individually. She said she was gonna give me an Avon piece. This will be my first Avon box, y'all. It's a cute white necklace and earring set. Thank you so much. I think we're gonna get into some bracelets and it's wrapped in a big bag. Just give her a nice, beautiful twirl. It is so ornate. It's got weight to it. Guys, I think it's gonna stay on. What do you think? This is the first one of this kind that I've gotten to. It's warm toned. I think it goes like this. Look at that. I like the beads, the rhinestones, and the warm tone color from far away is very sparkly, but it's also very low-key. I like that. I feel so decorated. I saw this and I was thinking instantly, I'm gonna turn this into a necklace. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Definitely keep. I got 2 pins and 2 bracelets already and a set from Avon. Oh, there's another free gift. I didn't know this whole thing is a free gift. Let's take a look. This is really big. Oh, it's a bag. Look at that. Oh my goodness, there's four jewelry stuff in there. It's another bracelet. It's a clear crystal bracelet. It's a little bit big for me, but it's really beautiful. It's got a dragon on it. I'm gonna keep and use it as a gift for one of my friends. Oh wow, it's very modern twisty earrings. It's got a very modern design to it. Kind of matches my clothes today. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna put it on for now. That's beautiful. I'm definitely going to keep that. Thank you so much. Oh my God, are these ear cuffs? I've never had that before. It goes like this. I've never had this in my life. Oh my God. I was asking her if there's anything porcelain, and she said she did have a porcelain face, but I just didn't know it would be this beautiful. Wow, it's even got those Chinese Beijing opera elements, because look at the headpiece. It's just so ornate. I'm definitely gonna turn it into a necklace. I'm a crafty girl. Last thing of the big freebie. Oh my God! Lendy, you didn't have to. Look at how beautiful it is. This is exactly what I wanted. A Victorian porcelain face with 2 beautiful hoop earrings that are very, very ornate. I love wearing things like this. And I love hoop earrings like this. Look at the earring. And look at how beautifully this piece sits. Blown away. I'm blown away. You didn't have to do this, Lendy. The biggest bag were freebies. I knew this was in her post, and there's another big bag of stuff. I'm gonna get into that first, and then we'll get into the actual jar that was in the picture. Purple beaded pair of earrings with 2 rhinestones on top. It shapes my face very well. I saw this in the post, and definitely I'm going to keep. I did see this as well. I might put them on today. By the way, there's not a single not keep so far. Very celestial. It's got the moon on it, and I am a moon sign, and I do like celestial stuff like this. It goes very well with my makeup today, which is nice. Please focus. Thank you. It's got quite some weight to it. It's this black heart with a purple centerpiece, and it's on a chunky chain. Will look cool with a t-shirt. Nordstrom, $15. I think it's gonna be a nice piece that sits right above here. Yeah, it looks really nice. I'm gonna keep. I think this is the centerpiece that I saw, and it's the perfect length. Look at this. Medium to short chains. I'm gonna put it on. Give me 1 sec. Look at her. That's beautiful. And with my earring, there's another one that I saw. This is a chunky piece. It's very lightweight. Oh, I thought it was a really long chain, but actually it is a layered chain. It's got pretty bright purple and gold and fluorescent little beads that are multifaceted. I will keep. This is the mystery part. I mean, besides all the other surprises she has granted me, let's give her a little twirl. There's a cameo in there? Oh my god, I didn't see that coming. Really low-key, almost like an ivory cameo. It looks low-key beautiful. I love it. All right, I'm saving that. I do see one piece that I already have, and guess what? I'm not gonna keep this one because I have exactly the same one. I'm gonna give out to my friends or put it in a jar that I will put on my Depop. By the way, check out my Depop, it's in my description. I also sell hand-painted items. This is a bracelet, like a metal dragon feather, but it's definitely too big for me. I don't know if I want to put in the effort to actually tighten it. So this one is one of the first not keep. This is another chandelier necklace. And mind you, how good it smells. The whole jar smells lovely. This is exactly the kind of style that I'm looking for. Oh goodness, this is a statement piece. So it's gonna sit around here. I have a pair of earrings that can go with it. Wood fairy, forest fairy. Oh, I love the dangle. It's actually really nice. I will keep. I am shocking myself right now. It's a wired, not real crystal. It's painted plastic. But still, I will keep. Okay, I see pearls. Oh, I've never seen designs like this. I think the clasp needs a little work. I will keep and I will replace the clasp. A simple bracelet. This piece is definitely a little bit more modern, but it's great for Valentine's Day, I suppose. Very sparkly. Ooh, cool necklace. This is a little bit into the witchy category for sure. I like this kind of stuff. An adjustable ring. Oh, it's an earring. I will definitely keep these kind of earrings. Sparkly purple earring. Yeah, woodwear. Oh, I like this dainty design. A rhinestone, lotus flower, and then a diamond shape at the bottom. Sparkles against my dark hair background. Keep for sure. It's a simple ring. Love this kind of simple stuff. I think it will fit my index finger better. Exactly. Hoop earrings. Very simple. Wait, is this a cat? This is a cool ring and I will wear. And as long as it's my size, I will wear. It will be a nice thumb ring actually. So we're getting down to the dainty stuff. Yes. Oh, it's a tiny chandelier earring. Look at that. That is pretty. Simple earrings, just one little rhinestone at the bottom. I'm not sure if I will keep this. I already know I'll definitely wear it and I know it's gonna fit my small wrist. We're at the bottom, guys. Okay, another very simple chain bracelet. I will keep. So here's the match to that rhinestone. Black and white cat. Okay, we got the other match to the chandelier, tiny little chandelier earring we're gonna dump. We got the match to the simple rhinestone earring I'm not gonna keep. We got the match to the heart and the rhinestone that I'm going to keep. Lotus flower rhinestone. Last but not least, we have a simple chain. I believe it is a bracelet that I'm gonna keep. She said it was gonna be around 30 pieces. It turned out to be 40 pieces that I kept and 3 pieces that I haven't kept. This is a great pre-birthday after a stressful day. You did an excellent job. Please, everybody go check Lendy out. She made this really special for me and I will definitely get another jar from you in the future. And everybody else, feel free to do the same.